Hey, I like to make videos that go like 8 minutes so I can put tons of ads on there. But this video is probably only going to be like about 10 seconds. This is on Windows 10. You start it up, you get this annoying message that says, let's finish setting up your device. And a lot of us, what we do is we go over here to the bottom. Where is it? I'm looking through the camera. Remind me later. So we click on this remind me later, and next time we boot up we say, I gotta find out how to shut this annoying thing off. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna have to start the machine up, so you're not gonna see that it works, but it does work. I'll show you how to make it so it disappears, it doesn't start up again with this message. You like my videos, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, all that stuff that nobody does anyway. Thanks for watching. All right, let me boot this thing up and I'll show you what you need to do. To get rid of that, you go down to your Start menu. I'm going to click over here, Start, and you're going to go up to Settings. Let's click on Settings. We're going to get a menu over here now. We're going to click on System. Click on System. We're going to get this menu over here. We're going to click on Notifications and Actions. We've done that. Now, let's go down to here. Look at this. Suggest ways I can finish setting up my device to get the most out of Windows. Get rid of that, and that box disappears. You can also click on this one. Show me the Windows welcome experience after updates, and occasionally when I sign in to highlight what's new and suggested. Get rid of that too. Everything is good now. You got rid of those. You don't have to click on Save. Remember, go to Settings, go to the Start button. It's all lots of S's. Go to the Start button, click on Settings, click on System, click on Notifications and Actions, and then click on another one, S for Suggest and S for Show Me, and you're done. That's an amazing video, and it's probably going to help out 9,000 people that are going to say, thanks for helping me. Oh, I didn't notice that you had a donate link in your video description, but I'm not going to help you. But thanks for the video. See ya.